Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. This is the question. Discover the principle involved in the given series and determine the next elements. We have E, F, H, G, I, and J. Is it A, L, K, B, J, L, C, K, M, or D, M, and N? Now, kagaya po ng previous video, ito po ay nag-involve ng letters. So we just need to look into the structure of the alphabet letters, English alphabet letters specifically, as how they are written alphabetically. So we have here E and F. So they follow a certain structure. However po, let me use a pen. When you go to H and G, of course we have E, F, it should be G before H. But this is what is given po. It's H and G. And then it follows with I and J. So again, there's no concern with this. It just follows the alphabetical process as well as I and J. But when you look at the two letters here in the middle, they're actually interchanged. So looking into this, we can actually consider this as a unique part of this series. Kasi nga po, dito, baliktad po yung alphabetical method natin. So we have E and F followed with G and H in reversed order, then I and J going back to the usual order. So when you look at the next few elements, specifically the next two elements, it should follow this pattern. Now, it's the reversed alphabetical order so that it would fit the idea po ng unique na sequence or series na ito. So, yung answer natin is ito po. We have E and F, the usual alphabetical order, followed with H and G, that's the reverse order, I and J, the usual order. So, supposedly, yung susunod na letters dito, alphabetically is K and L, di ba? I, J, K, and L. But it should be in the reversed order. Therefore, yung tamang sagot po dito is hindi yung K and L. It would be letter A, which is L and K in reversed order. So that is also one of the things po na pwedeng i-consider, especially if we look into this type of sequence or series, because it should follow this portion here. Again, it's not K and L because we are now in the reverse order. We have L and K. This is our answer for this item. So once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!